everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you about how can you claim your GitHub Student Developer Pack and what exactly it is. So this means GitHub is providing a Student Developer Pack for students, and this pack contains various subscriptions and licenses free of cost or at a minimal price. Like let me give you some example. Like if you want to go with Canva Pro, you need to get subscription, you have to pay for that. But if you claim the Student GitHub Developer Pack, you can claim it for free. So not only this Canva, there are many tools that GitHub is providing absolutely free of cost or at a minimal price for the students. So how to claim this pack and who are eligible? So what do you need to claim this pack is just two things. You just have to be enrolled in a university, and you should have a college official mail ID. Your college will give you some mail ID, right? So that is required. Just go and sign up for that and get into that. So I'm going to explain you about the complete procedure in this video, and kindly watch it. And I think really this video is exciting you, and really exciting for me also to explain this to you. So let's get dive deep into the video without any further ado. This is GitHub Student Developer Pack, and in this pack you are going to get all these at absolutely free of cost, or at least with a minimum price. Like you aren't going to pay high amount for all these things. So these are all the tools. Like there are various tools. I recently got to know about this thing, but it's really very nice. I'm still utilizing some of these tools according to my requirement, and you can also use these tools according to your requirement. So these all are there. You can claim all these things. So how to sign up for this GitHub Developer Pack and how to get this pack for you, I'm gonna explain. We are here on the GitHub page now. So it's better that you create your GitHub account using your official college mail ID. It's better. So I'm going to sign in. You'll get a verification code. I'm gonna enter it. So now it's done. We're logged into our GitHub account. Now coming to claiming our GitHub Student Developer Pack. Let's go and type that. Yes. Click on the first link. Of course, mine, like I have already claimed this pack, so I'll just sign out and I'll register again from the beginning. Okay, I'll go with this. Sign in again. Yes. Now you can see here I logged in, signed in as Bharadwaj. He's my friend. Fine. Now I want to get my GitHub Developer Pack. So here you can click GitHub Student Developer Pack. So get your pack. Yes. So to qualify for student benefits, you must just go through this thing. So this is Chandigarh University. You can see, like by entering the mail ID itself, it's saying that Chandigarh University. This means that you are officially a student of an university. This is what they require. So here, how do you plan to use GitHub? You can write anything, genuine thing, not anything. I would like to explore various tools for various advanced tools for my projects, and I would and make better projects. I'm just putting whatever. Yes. Okay. Now just say continue. So here they're saying that be sure to check your mail. If you don't hear from us within an hour, you should receive a mail use from us in less than 5 days. Have a fantastic day. So finally we have registered. So just wait. We'll get a mail to the registered mail ID very soon as the account is verified. Just wait till then. So after submitting this request form, so you get this message. Be sure to check your mail. If you don't hear from us within the hour, you should receive an email from us in less than 5 days. This means within the hour you get a mail from GitHub that yes, your account is verified and you can claim your pack, or else you will definitely receive within less than 5 days. Fine. Now let me go into GitHub Student Developer Pack here, and let me see. I mean, I have already logged in using the same mail ID which we have registered before. Okay, and let me see whether can I claim it now. Actually, I haven't received the mail yet, but let me see. Let me go into this. Arduino Education empowers scientists and artists of the future with creative STEM programs. Okay, let me go into this. I'm just checking whether this pack is really working or not. I haven't received the mail yet. Yes, sign into GitHub. Fine. Yes, you can see authorize Arduino. Okay, fine. I'm authorizing it. Yes, great. Your GitHub student account has been validated. Now sign in with Arduino to redeem your free subscription and discount codes. Yes. Now, if you want to just sign in, first you have to sign up, right? Our account is verified and you can claim all those offers. Now just sign, like if you are new to this platform, just sign up and then log in again. I don't require this, that's why I'm not going with this. Fine. Now this is the way that you can claim your GitHub developer pack. Really friends, this is quite useful being a student. There are many are there. I'm not going with in detail with each and everything, but still there are many are there, like you can go and explore these things. And I hope this video helps you. And if like, thank you for watching till the end. And if there are any suggestions, kindly comment below, and if you have any doubts also, kindly comment below, and kindly please subscribe and like the video. And try to, I mean, you can connect with me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and as well as Telegram. And thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.